How to fix Tom Clancy's The Division 2 is crashing on Steam. First, you want to right click the game in your library and open up the properties window. And in the general tab, you want to add -dx11 to the launch options. Then you want to go to installed files and click on verify the integrity of game files. And once this process is finished, you can close Steam and then open up a new browser tab, and you want to search for Redist. Then open up the first link and scroll down to the second table here and download the 86 for distributables and the 64. These two needs to be installed. And once you finish the installation, it will ask you to reboot your computer. Now, after the reboot, you also want to check if you have the latest driver updates installed for your graphics card. So for NVIDIA, you can use NVIDIA app, go to drivers, and check for game ready drivers from here. For AMD, you can download and use the AMD software. And next, you'll need to open up Steam as admin, right click on Steam and run as admin. And then just launch the game from your library. And this should fix the crash problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.